warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My best wishes and congratulations to all those teachers, students and other people present in this event organized by the well-known institution Real Concept International Institute Madrasa School and College. Asal Shatkira Shada Shatkira. Today I want to discuss about one of the most important topics, that is about our teachers. Dear listeners, the respected teachers are those persons from whom we learn something to gain knowledge. In our life, teachers are the most important person for us as our parents. They give us knowledge to build us as good human beings. For this reason, we must remember to speak to them politely and courteously without any kind of disobedience, because a disobedient student most suffer in the long run. So everyone should pay our tribute